Hi everyone, Rene with whyamigreen.com, and today I'm going to show you where my garden is at. I planted a small garden this year. I've already finished up with most of it, but let me go ahead and show you. I planted a little bit of corn, and I have that one there. Actually, it's for the birds more than anything else. Didn't have good luck with the corn this year. You can see up here on the deck, I've already pulled out all my tomato plants, but my peppers are doing well. We had a problem with I think my soil mix this year, and it just didn't have enough nutrition. My plants had mostly all dried out, and I got these back by fertilizing them just in time about a week ago. Then we had a lot of rain, so a lot of these came back. So I think I'm going to have some hot peppers. My bell peppers are already gone by, so pretty much all you see here is I have some cubanelle, some ghost peppers, and some reapers, and some habaneros. But all the other ones went by, and of course corn. The corn didn't do really well, but I'm keeping it for decorations for Halloween. Now if you come back over here, I do still have tomatoes. My tomatoes did great. But the ones that I planted in the ground, where are they? Way down there. And you can see my small raised bed tomato garden down there. That did really well. Matter of fact, in a second I'll go in the house and I'll show you some of the tomatoes I got from it. So let's go ahead and do that now. So these are the tomatoes I picked today. If you notice, when we went outside, I showed you the plants that I pulled up, all the ones that were left over on the deck. So I'm going to let these go through their ripening stage, and I'm going to make some spaghetti sauce. And we already have some that we picked last week that we're going to make sauce with today. Let me go ahead and show you those. Now here's some of them I picked last week from the garden downstairs. You can see they're getting really ripe. And we had some, remember earlier in the year, we bought some cherry tomatoes that we liked from the store. And we sliced them up and just planted the slices, and these are the ones we got from the slices. Actually, we got quite a few of those. And okay, you think this is it? This is what I got last week. Look at these monsters. I was very impressed with the size of the tomatoes we received. I mean, take a look. Here's my hand. Okay, so a little bit of contrast. Okay, so that's a nice tomato. So we're going to be using these to make tomato sauce. And that's pretty much the entire garden. These are the big ones that we have downstairs. I actually have quite a few more downstairs, but they're still green. So that's it for this year's 2021 garden. It was small, it was quick, it was sparse, but we've been real busy on other projects. So anyways, I want to wish you a great growing season. We'll have more videos, but I don't think there'll be too much on the garden because there's not much left. And I'd love to see what you've been doing and hear what you've been doing. And remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye now.